The other one is Trent, which corrected quite significantly yesterday and just stabilizing today. Harsh is joining in with what the brokerages have to sum up for Trent. Harsh, good morning.
Very interesting, Neeraj. Good morning. Now, what you're seeing on Trent is largely cuts with regard to target prices, but brokerages are maintaining their calls on Trent, and what they're also saying is that they're overall bullish on Trent because the target price upside is still very, very strong. When you're looking at Bernstein, first off, they're maintaining the outperform rating, cut target price to 6,900 from 8,100. They are saying SSSG growth was a key issue in this particular quarter, which is same store sales growth. They are cutting their target price largely because of this metric, and they are saying that valuations are the lowest in since 2021. So this could well be an opportunity. The current market price factors in a 15 to 17% EPS growth from FY24 to FY30, which they believe is conservative, and the stock reaction over the last month or so, which is down 26%, is a bit of an overreaction is what they call it. Jefferies, they've maintained their hold rating. They've cut target price to 5,800 from 5,900. They believe that earnings were just about in line, which was a bit of a disappointment. Investor concerns with regard to margins were largely maintained, and that came as a relief. The stock price correction was a bit of a shock, is what they are saying, is surprising, is what they call it. Citi, maintained by, cut target price to 7,800 from 9,350, but they call this the top pick in India, consumer, discretionary and retail. They call this that because they believe that the valuation differential of a DMart, Titan and a Trent warrants the kind of upside that they are giving to Trent, which is almost 35 odd %. And therefore they believe that warranted the kind of upside that they are kind of giving it.
Important to note, thanks Harsh so much for that, but important to note they're cutting their target price from 9,350 to 7,800. It's still a considerable upside, but it's a significant drop in the target price that Citi is undertaking. Can we talk about that on the charts as well? Kush, of course, under pressure yesterday, worst performer even on the Nifty 500. And so not very often that you see a move like that. What would you do with the Trent very quickly?
Still stay away or probably stay cautious. I think on the downside, you've got 5,000 and 4,700 as the next levels to watch for, because despite the kind of 35% drop, the stock is still seeing volume-backed drops, and the volumes are actually quite high on this one. So just be a little cautious. On the downside, 5,000 and 4,700 levels to watch for.
Okay.